let me show you how you guys can add extra member on Netflix. So basically you need to get the family plan on Netflix. There's multiple plans on Netflix. Make sure you get the family plan. And if you have the family or the premium plan, that means 4 people can use Netflix at the same time. So basically, if you have like a single person plan, the moment another person logs in into your account, you will automatically be locked out, or your account will be paused as the other person will use it. So you need to get the premium one with the family version, so 4 people can use it at the same time, or 6. And then you just provide your Netflix login detail and password, like your Netflix email and password, or phone number or password, and it's going to send a verification code to whichever email or phone number it's linked to. Once you provide them the code and they get access to the account, they basically have access to your account and they can start using Netflix. That's the only way to add members on Netflix. Like the older way where you click on a button and add a member, that's not a thing anymore. You just have to give your account to them. That's the only way. So hope you understand. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.